Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and we're on the episode 4 of Anyone Can Learn. I hope you guys are having fun and enjoying this session with me. So today our topic for learning is the correct way to use a corrector. What is basically a corrector? A corrector is a different color that we use to hide out all these spots, as in to cancel out all the marks. So generally we use a orange corrector to cut out all the blue marks or black marks, as you can say, and we use a green corrector to hide out all the pimple marks. But I'm gonna make this session pretty easy and efficient for you guys. So I'm going to be showing you two techniques but with the same corrector, which is a orange corrector from LA Girl that I'm going to be using today. So let's not delay and get right to the look. I am going to be using corrector and corrector first and then concealer on this side, and I'm going to mix the two, the corrector and concealer. I'm going to mix these two on this side. This technique you will do when you are looking to a much more heavier look, a much more glamorous look, and this is a quick fix basically. Now generally you can avoid corrector if you do not have such strong marks. You can obviously skip the corrector part and directly do foundation and concealer, but corrector really helps to make the look still longer. So I'm gonna first begin with using a moisturizer, which is oil-free moisturizer. On this area I'm gonna just use a little bit of foundation. What foundation does is basically that it cancels out almost 50% of discoloration, which makes your correcting and concealing job almost 50% easier. So I'm just gonna use a flat brush and I'm just gonna stipple on some foundation. And I'm gonna apply just like a hint of corrector on all the areas required. The more you apply, the more you will have to blend and conceal. So less is more is the next. I'm using my concealer brush and I'm just gonna blend it in. For your dark circle, you wanna start from the inner corner and then sort of blend it on the outer corner. And then you want to use a sponge to sort of blend the effect. It will look like a sort of injured soul for a while till you get your correct face on, but it's okay. And then what we're going to do is apply concealer right on top of it. So I'm using Creamy Beige as my concealer from LA Girl itself. And because we have already done a lot of correcting, we don't want to mix these two colors here. So we are gonna sort of place it on top. I'm gonna use my same brush that I use for foundation, that is the flat brush, and I'm just gonna stipple this. This is called a stippling motion, so you do not blend the other two colors. I am not blending this, I'm just stippling it to take away any sort of lines that might have come up. Mix concealer. So I'm going to take a little bit of concealer on my hand, and to that I'm going to add my corrector, just a hint of corrector, so like possibly whatever is left out on the brush. So this is the mix that I'm going to have, and I'm just going to blend it together. Your concealer still needs to hold its color, just needs to have a little bit of orange in it. And then I'm going to apply it on all the areas and blend it with my finger. So as you can see, this is like a quick fix. Same way I'm going to go under my eye. as you can see, this is like a very quick 1 minute fix, but you need to get your proportions right. So I'm going to use a little bit of my powder, that is a translucent powder in the shade Banana from Makeup Revolution, and I'm going to use a small blending brush this way. Remove the excess powder always, and I'm just gonna sort of in a round motion give it to set the cream basically. While doing the under eye, I'm just gonna make sure I have no creases coming up, and then I'm gonna take some powder and I'm gonna set that. So this is the complete look. I have just added a little definition to finish the look. Of course, you can play with it as much as you want. You can use your creativity to move around. We have just created the base here. If you like this video, comment down below, like and share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. See you guys next episode.